Imagine you're driving on Interstate 80, 30 minutes from your destination. Then everything stops. Wind screams, snow slams the windshield. Look in the mirror. Whiteout. Look ahead. Whiteout. Lane lines vanish. The road edge disappears. One car slides, two cars spin out. The whole line locks up on the pass. Donner Pass just swallowed you. And this is why it happens faster than you think. Welcome to Global Weather Disasters. We don't just tell the story, we decode it. And we pull out real safety lessons so you don't get trapped in a moment like this. Christmas in Northern California. A major winter storm moves in. The Sierra Nevada starts pumping snow, heavy snow, rising wind, icy roads. The hot spot is Interstate 80 over Donner Pass. At first, traffic still crawls. Then the snowfall noting up. Then the wind gets stronger. Then visibility collapses like someone killed the lights. Cars slide, cars spin out, lanes get blocked, traffic stacks up, it stops on the grade, tires spin, nobody can climb. Gridlock. Chain control checkpoints switch on. No chains, you stop. Chains on, you install. But in freezing wind, every minute is pressure. And it's not just the mountains. Other parts of California take strong wind, rain, and thunderstorms, falling trees, power outages, flying debris, one system, multiple hazards, at the same time.
Rolly, stop it! I gotta get the...
Most people think the problem is deep snow, but what breaks everything is how fast conditions flip. The Sierra is a wall. Moist air hits it and gets forced up. Higher means colder. Vapor condenses. Snow pours down. Then the wind kicks in. Wind turns falling snow into blowing snow. It erases lane lines, erases the road edge, erases distance. You're not driving the road anymore. You're driving your instincts. And instincts in a whiteout are often wrong. Hard brakes, sharp steering, constant corrections. On ice, everything slides. Donner Pass doesn't get dangerous slowly. 10 minutes ago you were moving. 10 minutes later you don't even know where the road is.
In half a mile, turn left.
Disaster starts small. One car with worn tires, one driver a little too fast, a shaded curve with hidden ice, a small slide, then a spin, then a blocked lane. The next cars brake. Braking on ice means sliding. Sliding means losing direction. Losing direction means impacts. Then the second lane clogs. Traffic stops on the slope, and stopped on a slope you can't restart. You sit in the car. Your breath fogs the glass. Wind howls outside. Ahead, red brake lights flickering in white. Behind, the same. A line of small candles inside a storm. Remember two words: moisture and wind. Moisture is the fuel for heavy snowfall. Hit a mountain, it ramps up fast. Wind is the multiplier. Wind turns slick roads into blind roads. Wind turns one incident into a chain reaction. You can hear heavy snow in the forecast, but what takes control away is visibility getting erased. It gives you no time to adapt.
Rolly, stop it! I gotta get the...
Chain controls aren't paperwork. They're a safety valve. No chains, your tires are rubber on glass. With chains, your tires have teeth. You hold a line better. You climb better. And remember this, all-wheel drive helps you go. It doesn't help you stop on ice. Most people lose it in the braking. One beat late, On ice, one beat is meters. Meters are enough to tap the car ahead, and one tap can freeze a whole lane. If you have to go, chain up early. Don't wait until the wind is screaming and your hands are shaking. A mountain pass isn't just a road. It's a steep face above you. Heavy snow plus strong wind loads slopes with weak layers. When the trigger hits, it slides. The trap is that after the storm, the sky can look calm. But the snowpack may still be unstable. Don't let the beauty fool you. The most common mistake is judging the weather where you're standing. Down low it looks fine, so you assume up high it's fine. But in the mountains, a few miles is a different world. One wind shift, and it's whiteout. And holidays make it worse because you rush. Donner Pass doesn't care that you're late. It only cares whether you prepared right or wrong.
Rolly, stop it. I gotta get the...
Check road status before you go. Bring the right chains and know how to install them. Pack the basics: water, high-energy food, a power bank, a flashlight. Add a blanket, warm layers, gloves, and a hat. Fill the tank, leave more distance, brake earlier, drive slower. If you get stuck, stay calm, stay warm, save fuel, share your location. Avoid leaving the car in a whiteout unless you truly have to. And if it's not necessary, don't go.
Rolly, stop it. I gotta get the...
Donner Pass isn't trying to scare you. It's reminding you of one truth. In a blizzard, everything can change in minutes. But you still have an advantage: preparation and choices. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe to Global Weather Disasters. Stay safe. See you next time.